Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best acne toner is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone battling persistent breakouts, offering a potent blend of exfoliating agents designed to slough away dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reveal a clearer, smoother complexion underneath, making it an indispensable step in a targeted skincare routine for achieving and maintaining blemish-free skin. Number 5. CeraVe Hydrating Toner. Discover the CeraVe Hydrating Toner, a gentle formula designed to replenish your skin's moisture. It's perfect for daily use, leaving your complexion feeling soft and refreshed. Infused with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides, this toner works to hydrate and support your skin's natural barrier. It helps to calm and soothe sensitive or dry skin. Say goodbye to dryness and irritation. Our non-alcoholic formula ensures a comfortable experience, even for the most sensitive skin types. It won't strip your skin of essential moisture. You can trust this toner to be kind to your skin. It's non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores, and it's completely fragrance-free for a pure and simple skincare routine. Experience the benefits of this hydrating toner with a generous full-size bottle. It provides ample product for consistent application, ensuring your skin stays hydrated and healthy. Specifically formulated for those with dry and sensitive skin concerns. This toner provides essential hydration without causing redness or discomfort, making it a staple in your routine. What we like. This toner is designed for sensitive and dry skin. It is formulated with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides to hydrate and protect the skin barrier. If you have sensitive, dry, or easily irritated skin and are looking for a gentle, non-alcoholic toner, this is a great choice. What people say. This toner is amazing for my acne-prone skin. It helps to exfoliate gently without causing irritation, leaving my skin feeling smoother and clearer. I've noticed a significant reduction in breakouts since using this toner. It effectively removes excess oil and impurities, preventing new blemishes from forming. The formula is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. It doesn't leave any sticky residue, making it a great base for other skincare products. Number 4. Some by MAREE BHA 30 Days Miracle Toner. Discover the transformative power of our AHA BHA 30 Days Miracle Toner. This Korean refining face toner is designed for all skin types, offering a daily solution for your skincare needs. Experience gentle exfoliation with a blend of AHA, BHA, and PHA. It effectively removes dead skin cells and impurities without causing irritation, revealing smoother skin. Struggling with enlarged pores and excess oil? This toner helps to refine pores and control oil production, leaving your complexion balanced and clear. Enriched with 2% niacinamide, it works to brighten your skin tone and strengthen the skin barrier. Achieve a healthier, more radiant appearance. Incorporate this essential step into your daily routine for visibly improved skin texture and clarity. It's your secret to achieving that coveted Korean skincare glow. Whether you have dry, oily, combination, or sensitive skin, this toner is formulated to be gentle and effective for everyone. Enjoy the benefits of clearer, smoother skin. What we like. This toner offers a 30-day miracle solution for clearer skin. It combines AHA, BHA, and PHA to exfoliate and refine pores, while niacinamide helps with oil control. If you are looking for a daily toner to address multiple skin concerns like enlarged pores and excess oil, especially if you enjoy Korean skincare, this is worth considering. What people say. This toner is amazing for my acne-prone skin. It helps to exfoliate gently, reducing breakouts and leaving my skin feeling smoother and clearer. I've noticed a significant improvement in my skin texture since using this exfoliating toner. Pores appear smaller and my complexion is much more even. The formula is lightweight and absorbs quickly without any sticky residue. It's a great addition to my nightly skincare routine for managing acne. Number 3. MAREE Blemish Acne Clearing Polishes. Discover the power of MAREE Blemish Acne Clearing Polishes. These daily facial radiance toner pads are designed to gently cleanse and refresh your skin. Formulated with witch hazel, these pads help to combat acne and blemishes effectively. They are perfect for daily use to maintain clear and healthy-looking skin. Our unique formula includes BHA salicylic acid, a powerful ingredient known for its ability to penetrate pores and clear congestion. This helps to reduce breakouts and improve skin texture. Experience a daily boost of radiance with these toner pads. They work to tone your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized after every use. Achieve your skincare goals with these blemish-clearing witch hazel pads. They are an essential step in your routine for visibly clearer and smoother skin. These pads offer a gentle yet effective approach to acne care. They are suitable for daily application, helping to manage breakouts without overdrying your skin. What we like. These toner pads offer a convenient way to tackle blemishes. Infused with witch hazel and BHA salicylic acid, they help clear acne and refine skin texture. If you prefer an easy-to-use, on-the-go solution for acne-prone skin and like the benefits of witch hazel, these pads are an excellent option. What people say. This toner is amazing. It helped clear up my acne and made my skin feel so smooth. I love how gentle this toner is. It doesn't irritate my sensitive skin at all. The exfoliating properties of this toner are fantastic. It really helps to remove dead skin cells and prevent breakouts. Number 2. Glow Recipe PHA plus BHA Face Toner. Discover the power of gentle exfoliation with our unique formula. It helps to refine your pores and reveal smoother, brighter skin. Experience the perfect balance of hydration and clarity. This toner quenches your skin while effectively clearing out pores. Crafted with watermelon, cactus water, and glycerin, it nourishes your skin. Enjoy a refreshing and revitalizing experience. Designed to be gentle yet effective, it's suitable for most skin types. Achieve a clearer complexion without irritation. Incorporate this toner into your daily routine for a healthy, glowing complexion. It's your secret to revitalized skin. Embrace the innovation of Korean beauty with this advanced exfoliating toner. It's a must-have for achieving your skin goals. What we like. This toner provides gentle chemical exfoliation with PHA and BHA. It also hydrates with watermelon and cactus water, making it suitable for those who want to improve skin texture without dryness. If you are looking for a hydrating exfoliating toner that smells great and is effective for pore refinement, this could be your pick. What people say. This toner is a game changer for my skin. It has significantly reduced my breakouts and improved my skin texture. I love how gentle yet effective this toner is. Number 1. La Roche-Posay Effaclar Clarifying Solution Acne Toner. Tired of clogged pores? This clarifying solution is designed to deeply cleanse and purify your skin. It helps to remove impurities that can lead to breakouts. Achieve smoother, refined skin. Its powerful formula works to improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of enlarged pores. Get ready for a clearer complexion. Experience gentle exfoliation that doesn't strip your skin. It effectively removes dead skin cells, revealing a brighter and healthier-looking complexion underneath. Specifically formulated for oily and acne-prone skin. This toner targets blemishes and helps prevent future breakouts. It's your ally in the fight against acne. Harnessing the power of key ingredients like salicylic acid and glycolic acid. These work together to exfoliate and clarify your skin. Experience the difference they make. Rediscover your skin's natural clarity and radiance. With consistent use, you'll notice a significant improvement in skin clarity and a reduction in blemishes. Embrace your best skin yet. What we like. This clarifying solution is specifically formulated for oily and acne-prone skin. It uses salicylic acid and glycolic acid to effectively unclog pores and remove dead skin cells. If you struggle with oily skin, blackheads, or breakouts and need a powerful yet gentle exfoliant to refine your pores, this toner is a strong contender. What people say. This toner is formulated with salicylic acid, which helps to exfoliate the skin and unclog pores. It effectively reduces the appearance of acne and prevents future breakouts. The toner has a lightweight formula that absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.